Pydantic AI implements agent-based interaction through a centralized agent class that encapsulates model configuration, static instructions, and synchronous execution. This design pattern leverages Python's type system and Pydantic's validation to create a structured interface for LLM interactions. We're about to examine how a minimal agent is instantiated with a specific model and instructions, then executed synchronously to produce a concise output. The code demonstrates the foundational pattern of agent initialization and single-turn execution without additional tooling or dynamic behavior.
From Pydantic AI import agent. Agent equals agent #1. Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6. Instructions equals be concise, reply with one sentence. #2. Result equals agent. Run sync where does hello world come from? #3. Print result, output. The first known use of hello world was in a 1974 textbook about the C programming language.
This example demonstrates the foundational pattern for creating a Pydantic AI agent with static configuration and synchronous execution. The agent class serves as the primary interface, encapsulating model selection, instructions, and execution logic in a type-safe container. Here, we instantiate an agent with Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6, as the default model and provide static instructions via the constructor parameter, which are compiled once during initialization rather than at runtime. The synchronous execution via runsync simplifies integration in non-async contexts by internally managing the event loop, returning a run result that wraps the raw output alongside metadata like usage statistics. This pattern is ideal for straightforward single-turn interactions where the overhead of a sync await isn't justified, though it blocks the thread during model inference. The output is automatically extracted from the result object, demonstrating Pydantic AI's ergonomic design for common use cases while preserving access to the full response context when needed. Static instructions offer performance benefits by avoiding runtime evaluation, but lack the flexibility of dynamic or runtime instructions that could adapt based on conversation history or external state. The choice of synchronous execution trades scalability for simplicity, making it suitable for scripts or applications where concurrency isn't a priority. This minimal configuration establishes the baseline from which more complex agents with tools, dynamic instructions, or structured outputs can be built. Let's break it down.
From Pydantic AI import agent.
Imports the agent class from the Pydantic AI module, which provides the primary interface for building AI agents that interact with language models. This class enables creating agents with configurable instructions, tools, and output types for structured AI workflows.
Agent equals agent #1.
Creates an instance of the agent class from Pydantic AI, initializing it with the opening parenthesis indicating that configuration parameters will follow. This establishes the foundation for building an AI agent that can interact with language models, though the specific configuration details aren't visible in this segment. The agent variable will hold this newly created agent instance for subsequent operations.
Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6.
Specifies the model identifier Anthropic, Claude Sonnet 4.6, as a string literal, likely for use as a model configuration parameter in a Pydantic AI agent setup.
Instructions equals be concise, reply with one sentence. #2.
Sets a concise instruction string, be concise, reply with one sentence, as a parameter for an agent configuration, likely defining how the AI should respond to queries.
Result equals agent. Run sync where does hello world come from? #3.
calls the agent's synchronous run method with the input, where does hello world come from, and assigns the returned result to the variable result. This executes the agent's workflow in a blocking manner, processing the query through the configured LLM and any associated tools or instructions, then storing the final output in result.
Print result, output.
Prints the output attribute of the result object to the console. The output contains the final value returned from running an agent, which could be plain text, structured data, or the result of a function call made by the model during execution. This displays the primary result of the agent's operation without any additional formatting or processing. This minimal agent setup demonstrates Pydantic AI's core pattern for structured LLM interactions. The agent class serves as a type-safe container that bundles model configuration with static instructions, creating a reusable component for consistent behavior. By specifying the model and concise instructions up front, we establish predictable output formatting without runtime overhead. The synchronous execution via runsync simplifies integration in blocking contexts while maintaining access to the full response metadata through the run-result wrapper. This design choice prioritizes simplicity over scalability, making it ideal for single-turn interactions where thread blocking isn't problematic. The static instructions approach trade's flexibility for performance, as they're compiled once during initialization rather than evaluated per run. Together, these elements form the foundation for more complex workflows. The same agent instance could be reused with different inputs while maintaining consistent behavior, and the pattern scales naturally to include tools or dynamic instructions when needed. The output extraction from result output shows Pydantic AI's ergonomic focus, providing direct access to the primary result while preserving the full context for debugging or advanced use cases.
The agent, bound by runsync, loses its name, but finds Hello World in a 1974 textbook.